Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. Hey, you creative beings around the whole world. I'm greeting you from the bottom of my heart. Do you know? And have I ever told you, when you raise your hands like that in the air, you never can be unhappy. So try that. It is a real gift from nature, what we have here. Today I want to do a little kind of meditation with you. Whenever you want to do something, you can make that. It is a little meditation that we try to connect with the moment, with the very moment, with the presence. So please sit comfortably and close your eyes. First, you can observe your breath for a while. Look where your breath wants to go, wants to flow. And just leave it as it is. So do not judge your breath. Just observe it. And then after some time, if you have many thoughts, you can add a rhythm breathing. With rhythm breathing, I mean you breathe in until 4. Stop your breath with 4 and breathe out with 8. Breathe in and count 4. Stop your breath and count 4. And breathe out and count 8. Do this for some time in your own tempo, and you will observe that your thoughts will reduce. with this. 4 breath in, 4 stop, 8 breath out. And when you have breathed out with 8, next time, then you can let your breath go wherever it wants to. Maybe you're feeling that your thoughts have reduced. Now again you can breathe in and imagine that you are inviting this very special moment. You are inviting the presence to come to you. And with every breath out, you can imagine that all what have been in the morning, what have been in the night or during the day, you breathe out. Breathe in the presence and breathe out your past. Breathe in the present moment and breathe out the past. And breathe in this special moment. And now breathe out everything what is related to the future. And you can change it every time when you breathe in, every time the presence of the special moment here, and you breathe out one time the past, and at the other round you breathe out the future. So you feel you come more and more in the present moment. And after a while, let go again your breath where it wants to go. And enjoy your empty mind. Enjoy the silence in your mind. And whenever you want, come back here and with a few blinks, gently open your eyes. You can do this whenever you have 5 or 10 minute time. You also can reduce the time, pair your needs, you know. When you are in office and have only 2 minutes where you can close your eyes so nobody can see that you close your eyes and something like this, you know, it's not manageable maybe in all offices that you openly do that. So if you have only 2 minutes, then it's okay. You take these 2 minutes. And after that, a short meditation. You are in the present moment. There are no thoughts which are bothering you. You will be very fresh. And this is also a wonderful exercise which we use in soul painting for being in a present moment where there are no thoughts about and no judgments about what we are painting. So the flow that then comes on the paper is very very related with your soul, very related with your heart. So, wish you all a wonderful day ahead and hope you enjoy this little meditation.